Welcome back to our gardening channel. Today, we have a really exciting topic to dive into: planting elephant ear bulbs in pots. If you've been looking to add a touch of the tropics to your patio or indoor space, you're in the right place. Elephant ears are stunning, and they're surprisingly easy to grow in containers. So, let's jump right in. Now, before we get started, make sure you have some elephant ear bulbs like these. They might look a bit unusual, but that's all part of their charm. The great thing is, with a bit of care, these bulbs will transform into gorgeous, leafy plants that'll make your space feel like a lush paradise. First things first, let's talk about the right kind of soil. Elephant ears love rich, well-draining soil, so grab a good potting mix. I'm using a mix designed for tropical plants because it holds moisture well but won't get waterlogged. Fill your pot about halfway with this soil mixture. Make sure the pot has drainage holes at the bottom. This is super important because it prevents the soil from getting too soggy, which elephant ears don't like. Now, here comes the fun part: planting the bulbs. Take your elephant ear bulbs and place them about 2-3 inches deep into the soil. Remember, the pointy side goes up. If you're using a larger pot, you can plant multiple bulbs to create a fuller display. It's like tucking them into a cozy bed. Don't worry if they look a bit funny now, they'll start sprouting before you know it. After planting, give your bulbs a good drink of water. This helps settle the soil around them and kickstarts their growth. Just be gentle, no need to flood them. Elephant ears like to be moist but not soggy. That's refreshing. Now find a bright spot for your pot. Elephant ears thrive in partial shade, so a spot with filtered sunlight or morning sun is perfect. Now that your bulbs are in their new home, let's talk about care. Keep an eye on the soil moisture. Water your elephant ears whenever the top inch of soil feels dry. Just like checking if a cake is done. Also, feed your plants once a month during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. This will keep them happy and leafy. Over the next few weeks, you'll start to see some action. Little shoots will emerge, and before long you'll have big, beautiful leaves unfurling like nature's own umbrellas. As your elephant ears grow, they might outgrow their pots. That's a good sign. When this happens, gently lift the bulbs and transfer them to a larger container with fresh soil. It's like giving them more room to stretch out. Careful now, we don't want to disturb their roots too much. And remember, elephant ears are tropical plants, so they'll appreciate a boost in humidity. Misting the leaves occasionally will make them feel right at home. And there you have it. Growing elephant ears in pots is a fantastic way to bring a touch of the exotic into your home or garden. I hope you feel inspired to give it a try. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, drop us a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planting